Let's continue. Map dot map. So here is the map. We can take the map. So map is ready. First we have to get the metadata, get product metadata. I can use this function, this get product metadata. Return type is void only because we are just getting the details. Later I will add to this map, this product metadata and price, both I will include in this map. So fetch the product metadata. So one more, we'll get a count first. Product metadata count is list dot size. So then we will iterate this entire list. So we can use a for loop to iterate the product metadata list. So we have a web element and then product metadata. I'll just put like this, metadata list. So first you get the text. So this entire text, right? So this entire text we need to get it. So one by one, because these are all in the list. So this is the one element, this is another element in the list. So get one by one and then we'll split it. So first get string meta text equal to pmd dot get text. So which will give you brand, Apple, both it will give you. Now you need to customize that. So what we need to do, we need to split based on the colon so that both will be split. Then we can take it, one is a key and value, log split the meta text. So based on colon. So colon is the delimiter for us here now. So once you use the split method, you will get a string array, right? So we have to store in the string array and then metadata array. I'll just name it metadata array. So equal to meta text dot split method. So just apply the colon. So we'll fetch the meta key and value, because from this array you need to fetch meta key and value. Meta key and value, we have to fetch it. So string meta key is equal to metadata array. So take metadata array. From this metadata array, you are getting first one. That is, so then trim it. because there might be spaces. Similar way, meta value equal to metadata array. So it's a 1, right? Second one. So in the array, first place the key will be there, brand, then second place Apple. So like that. So trim method. So now we got the key and value. Then you can add to map, right? So for this map, you can add, just call this map. How to insert? Insert key and value into map. So how to insert? Map name dot put.
Put method
So just add meta key
and the value.
and meta value. That's it. So all the values it will iterate and add it. So that is the one. So you can tell this map how you use it also. Next, this is the one for loop, and this is the method ending. Similar way, we can add product price data also. Public void. So get product price data. So for logger you can use a chain test listener. Any logger if you want to add, just add the loggers. So product meta price, product price list dot size. So string price equal to product price list dot get of 0. So that means first element you are getting dot get text dot trim. So basically here you don't have any key value pair. So these values directly storing, right? So that's why I'm just get this first one and this second one. The second one has some map. We'll see that how to fetch that again. So you got the price, then second one extra price, right? That is extra price, extra tax price, that one. So equal to product price list dot get of 1 dot get text, that also we are getting dot trim method. Any spaces are there, spaces will be cleared off. Now we'll store the price value in the map. So let's store the price value. Chain test listener, I want to write the logger. Store the price value in the map. So product map dot put method. So what is that? So I want to put actual price. So that's a key and value is price. Similar way, product map dot put. So actual tax price. Actual tax price, and I can put extra tax price. That's it. So now, so this is a map but we made it is private, right? You have to make it a complete. So what we can do, we can write one more function. So public void. So this method has to return a map. So map it has to return. So this method is going to return a map. String get product information. We can put another name for this information. So you can just give product map equal to new hash map, because we haven't created the map object.
Object,
So
yeah.
here I am creating a map object. Exactly this map object, just we declared here the variable, but we didn't create object for that. Now I'm going to create object here. So then you can add get product metadata. Get product metadata, and then get product price data, then return the map, product map, so that you will get in the map. So that is what we are doing. So these two are, you can make a private also, this private, because this you are using already in this function will be exposed outside. This just you can make it a private only. So only for this method only, this one. Only for this class means always make private. We are not using this outside, so you can use private. So that anyhow you are calling them here, that will be, yeah. So that's the product details page, and we have only one page class, that is registration page. If you go here, we have logout, and here, so this is the one last page. Here I am going to, so it's all input, right? Data input. So we can do a data driven testing for this page. One is using faker class, you can do. Another one is using read the data, this entire data from Excel sheet. So that means multiple accounts you are creating. So just this first name, last name, email, telephone, password, this subscription values, all this we're going to identify. Then we'll enter the data. Through faker class, how to do, faker is another class which will generate the random data for us. So you don't need to hard code. It will automatically generate uh, all this data, first name, last name, email, telephone, uh, password. So password you can generate whatever you want, but the remaining data it will generate. I'll show you how to do that. Let's get start quickly instead of waiting, and I'll take a login page or a home page. We have, yeah, I'll take this login page and paste it.
And the
Register.
data will be stored in external resources like
External, right?
Excel.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So Excel sheet we are using one, and another one is faker class. You
Faker.
can do two ways. One is using faker class. You don't need to store in the any external resources. Another approach is you can store the data in the Excel sheet and pass it to the methods. That's the second approach. So I'll show you both approaches. Whichever you want, you can use it.
Okay.
Register page. So one by one element we have to identify here. So all this register account header. So take this, CSS, register account header. Next we have this login link we have to take. See, you can take this one, CSS, register account login link. Register account login link. Then first name, last name, your personal details. You can legend. This is called legend text. This one of the section name, legend text. So you can take this. So any one of them you can take. Let me use this one. Personal details, legend text. So I'll use a CSS. Next, first name, field. First name edit box, you can take ID. Okay, so ID value. So you can just give first name edit box. Right, first name edit box. Next, you can take a name for this, last name edit box. You can email edit box. You can take ID, or you want to use hash ID value. So that is also good. So we can use different locators. Email edit box. Next we have telephone edit box. Okay, so I'll stop it here. Remaining we'll do next class. Okay, if possible we'll take tomorrow one more class. Okay, tomorrow morning, not evening, today evening, tomorrow morning. Okay,
Yeah, morning class. Okay,
so I
no
have
problem.
holiday tomorrow. We can have tomorrow one more class. Okay.